Alright, so this is the quick review of each individual speaker. That way, if you don't want to watch the full video doing both of these speakers, you can just have one for each of them. So, quick review, I'm going to try to keep this under, I'll say about 2 to 5 minutes, somewhere in that range. So let me get started. So this is the H2O Jacket 3. It's from Alltech Lansing. It has 3 buttons on the top. It has 1 water resistant seal on the back, made of rubber. It's for your DC in, for micro USB C. No, this is B. Micro USB. Micro USB. You have your audio jack. You have to close it, make sure it's tight so it keeps the water out. This is IP69 rated, so it's good for up to 4 feet of water. If you drop it inside like a lake or a bayou or a bathtub, if you drop it in a bathtub, you'll be fine. If you drop it in a lake, you'll probably be fine. If you drop it in an ocean or a bayou, yeah, you can kiss it goodbye. So whenever you press the power button,
powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
And then if you're connected to the phone, you're gonna hear boop boop. That lets you know it's gonna connect it, and this light is gonna turn solid. The 2 buttons on the top, you got 1 for volume up, 1 for volume down. If you hold the volume down button, it'll go to the previous song. If you hold the volume up button, it'll go to the next song. If you hold both buttons at the same time, you get a pairing noise. Now this is looking for another one of these speakers. So if you have 2 H2O Jacket 3s, you set them next to each other and they'll both pair once you press both of those buttons. If you ever have to hard reset this thing to reset all the memory and everything, you press the power button and the minus button, and you hold both of them until you hear a separate noise or it goes off. Yeah. Let me try that again.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
You want to be a dick on camera, you don't want to do it. Okay, well, you get the idea. Alright, well, that's it with this. Oh yeah, you got a jack on the bottom here. So what this jack is for putting it on a tripod. So if you do have 2 of these and you're going to a party, you can mount them both on tripods, and you can sync them with true pairing, and there's no lag between either one of these speakers when you sync them up. So whenever they're synced together, you'll get left and right audio, and it'll sound like you have surround sound almost. You have this audio jack, and whenever you charge it, it only takes 4 hours to charge. 4 hours will last you 8 hours. So it's a really good battery in here. If you blast it at high sound, high volume all the time, well, you might get about 4 hours out of it. But the most I've got from this thing lasts me half a month. So that's my review on this. I will see y'all later.